The CARLINK ASCL6 remote start module lets you start your vehicle from virtually anywhere your phone has cellular coverage, which is far more convenient than traditional key fobs with limited range. Its smartphone app support for both Android and Apple devices makes it easy to control remote start, door locking, and unlocking without carrying extra remotes. The module integrates with many popular aftermarket systems from brands like Prestige, Pursuit, Code Alarm, FlashLogic, and Omega, giving it broad compatibility for existing installations. Beyond starting the engine, the system can report battery voltage, signal status, and door lock status, providing reassuring insight into your vehicle when you are away from it. The built-in vehicle locator and GPS functions help you quickly find your car in crowded parking areas or unfamiliar locations, adding a useful layer of security and convenience. Although professional installation is recommended due to firmware and wiring requirements, once installed, the CARLINK ASCL6 runs reliably in the background and delivers a seamless remote start experience through your phone.